Welcome to Introduction to Java Programming. In today's episode, we'll look at again the arithmetic operators and you'll try to create a BMI calculator. It's a bit a complex example, but it uses all those basic operators, arithmetic operators. So what is BMI? It's calculate your body mass index, and based on that they adopt different type of food. So we'll start with the basic because we will be using the arithmetic operators. Okay, so based on the calculation, whatever value we will be calculating, so what we have to do is we have to take the input from the user, what is the height in feet and inches, and then we have to take the input for the weight, input in variables. So here it says we need to take height. Let's do it feet and 6 inches. Okay, and that's the height part, and then we have to do the weights, convert it to a double. So yeah, so that's in pound, so I will say weight in pounds so that we understand. Okay, so what is the formula for BMI? Is formula for BMI is weight in kg divided by height meter square. Okay, so this is the formula. So first we need to convert the weight into kgs. So let's say double weight in kg. So how do we convert weight into kg? We need to know. Okay, yeah. So pounds per kg are these many pounds divided by 2.204. Let's print this if it's correct or not. Print this one here. It's almost, yeah, that's accurate. It's almost 80 kg. Yeah. So we got one part, weight in kg, and now we need to have height in meters. There are different ways, but I'm going to extend this exercise to linger on. So I first need to convert this 5 feet 6 inches into all inches. Int height feet multiply by 12. So in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So if we multiply the number of feet with the 12, this will give us inches, and then we will add the inches as well. So we get the height, instead of 5 feet 6 inches we get the height, uh, total height in inches. Okay, so now how do we convert the height into centimeters? So height in centimeters is equal to height in inches. So how do I know this number? Because we can Google it here. Centimeter per inches is 2.5. So let's print this value as well, height in centimeters. Okay, let's run this program. I'm just doing this calculation so that you understand how things are done. So it's about right, like 5 feet 6 inches is 167.64 centimeters. So this is in centimeter. Okay, but obviously we can take directly input in kgs and directly input in meters, height in meters, but just for the sake of these multiplication, division, and using these multiple things, I'm just showing you this way. So we need height in meters square, so let's convert meters. So it's simple, we can divide it with 100. So by dividing this 100, our height will be in meters. Okay, so you don't have to worry like how this happened. You can search on net how many centimeters are in 1 meter or how to convert it. So you will get all these number, like how we do this. So now we got height in meters. Let's get the height, meter squares. Okay, and meter. So this is one way to calculate the square. Okay, we got it. So we will say here double BMI, that's body mass index. For that we need weight in kgs and we need height in meters square. Let's see how it, so we'll print here BMI is, so let's run the program. So it's 28.46. I guess that's the perfect. Let's look at the table where it stands. Okay, here is the table. So it's in this range. Oh, that's overweight. So that's mean I'm overweight. It's about 28.46. I need exercise. That's it for today. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. We'll come with the next episode with couple of more contents. Thank you. Take care. Bye.